Machine builders today navigate growing demands for speed, efficiency and safety, and while keeping costs under control. I'm Błażej Siudaj, Product Manager for Servo and Motion at Mitsubishi Electric, and today I'd like to explore how modern servo technology addresses these challenges. One of the most significant challenges OEM faced in the lower number of projects on the market, leading to higher local competition and competition with lower priced machines from markets like China. The key maintaining competitiveness isn't just about the price, it's about delivering superior performance and efficiency. Furthermore, nowadays, machines should be also safer. The time for commissioning, meaning labor hours needed for commissioning, is also crucial. An additional topic that is important for customers is multi-connectivity, which means customers need to deal with different control standards on the market and sometimes use the same drives with other PLC vendors. The MELSERVO-JET servo system helps achieve this through exceptional technical specification. MELSERVO-JET is a unique product because we can support our customers with excellent technical specification and also a very good price level. This specification is on the top of servo solutions on the market. Going to the details, our latest servo works with 3.2 kHz frequency speed response, which is one of the best on the market. And with success, we can use these drives also in CNC machines. The power range of motors is well suited to our market needs and supports power from 100 watt up to 7 kW. Motors are very small in size, efficient, with an overload level even up to 350% for 3 seconds, and have extremely high, unique on the market inertia ratio even up to 25:1. Based on these parameters, we can offer our customers reduced motor size and reduced power compared to our competitors, which positively influence on price and machine design. Furthermore, our inertia ratio is at least 2 times higher than competitive solutions, which generates a lot of advantages for our customers who can optimize the servo motor size significantly. Another topic that is increasingly important is machine safety. Our new JET servo family is equipped with 7 functional safety features as a standard, which is unique on the market because we have always advanced safety on board without any additional fee. Amplifiers are equipped with 3 pairs of freely configurable safety IOs, which means customer can decide which function they want to use and configure it themselves quickly and simply. And believe it or not, customers really like this feature. What's more, we have also safety over the network as a standard. Another topic is multi-connectivity. Our new servo supports not only our CC-Link ITSN network, but also Ethercat. And in the future, maybe even this year, we will support Profinet. The network standards will be fulfilled not only from control point of view, but also with safety communication, which can significantly reduce the time for commissioning, especially wiring. That means we can also reduce labor hours. Furthermore, auto detection of motor and excellent auto tuning can significantly reduce the time to go live because we don't need to configure anything in our software. The motor and amplifier can recognize each other. Thanks to auto-tuning, drive recognizes the connected load and automatically adjusts the closed-loop parameters. This is also possible because of high-resolution encoders with 24 bits, which significantly improves the smoothness of the movement and allows the servo to respond faster to any changes in the environment. The encoder is also equipped with very high resolution of multi-turn absolute positioning rotations, meaning we have plus-minus 32,000 absolute revolutions, which is a few times higher than competitive solutions. Who will benefit most from this servo solution? If you are a system integrator working with clients who have strict budget constraints, or an OEM looking to maintain competitive pricing, or an end user seeking to automate process without excessive investments, these solutions are designed specially for you. The perception that quality automation requires premium price is outdated. Medium performance product solution like the MELSERVO-JET demonstrates that it's possible to achieve the right balance of capability and costs. Automation should be accessible to business for all sizes. After all, the best solution isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the best one that delivers exactly what you need at the price that makes sense for your operation. In summary, the medium performance product should be good enough for application. But MELSERVO-JET servo series is more than enough. Top quality and excellent price make it a perfect choice for your business. Thank you for your time and see you next time.